Hey people, good day. This is the host Jahidul and welcome to you Digital Insight. Today we'll learn how to change your AutoCAD background, and this you can see there is white background in AutoCAD, so you can change it in black and others. There is two ways you can change your background. Okay, so don't delay further. Let's jump into the video. Before jumping to the video, if you are new in my channel, please do subscribe, or if you already subscribed, then thank you so much. There is two ways you can change your background. One is command option, one is the set option in menu bar. So it's the command option. We will see that you need to be command O P. You can see I'm typing here O P and then hit enter, and there is the option is come, and another option is you need to be click on the icon in AutoCAD, and you can see there is option, right? Click on option and you can see there is display, right? So there is display, you can see that display, and after that you have option is color. As you can see, click on color, then here is white, so you can change these types of color. Okay, and you can also there is lots of color is here, so you can use as your choice. Okay, so very simple video, just started AutoCAD tutorial. I will upload a full video of AutoCAD, so stay with me, and thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to help me to grow my channel. Hope so we'll meet another new video. Until then, tata, bye bye.